Hey guys, we're on Unit 5 and we'll be doing day 4 today. So here's our warm-up. It's a simplify and express in simplest radical form. And hopefully you guys remember from the other day that we can't do much with radicals as far as combining because we only have properties of exponents, but we know radicals can be changed over to exponents. And so we're going to have to make sure all of these end up going from radicals to exponents. And our first one has 2 exponents and we're going to combine those. All right, so in this first one here, when we have an exponent raised to an exponent, remember that your operation is to multiply them. And so that's going to give us 2 times 2/5, which is 4/5. And so we're going to have x to the 4/5 times, remember what's in the correct goes on the bottom, and so we're going to have x to the 6/5. And on the bottom here, remember there's a little hidden 2 in the crack and a little hidden 1 exponent, and so that's going to be rewritten as x to the 1/2. All right, now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the top because when our operation is multiplication now, our exponents actually get added. Okay? And so when we take our calculator and we add them, 4/5 plus 6/5 is actually 10/5, which is 2. And so this is x to the second. On the bottom, we keep our x to the 1/2. All right, and now that our operation is division, the exponents actually get subtracted. And so if we type in 2 minus 1/2, we're going to get 1/2, which is 3/2. And so this becomes x to the 3/2. And that's a great answer, except in the directions they said simplest radical form. So we're going to go back and transfer our fractional exponent into a radical. We technically don't need to write the 2 that's in the crack, but we do need to write the 3 that would be left on the x. Okay, and so that would be a fine answer. If you want to put the 2 in the crack of the radical, so you can see it, this is also a fine answer. Either one, it doesn't matter to me, okay? It's just that you won't see this 2 being written there if it was multiple choice or something like that, okay? All right, guys, I will see you on our day 4 notes.